Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are exploring Nijmegen in the Netherlands. You will find all the highlights time-stamped below in the description, so feel free to jump to your favorite part. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Alright, that's it for today's visit in Nijmegen. I hope you enjoyed exploring the city with me. If you did like the video, of course give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!